Hey guys, Penny here, and today I'm going to be showing you 3 head wrap styles to do when you have braids. I kind of grabbed inspiration from other YouTubers to create this, so stay tuned to see how I do them. So first things first, you need your head wrap, and I just folded mine into a rectangular size. So the first step is to kind of put the head wrap around your neck because we're going to be working upwards. So the head wrap is going to come upwards towards your forehead and we're going to cross them over at the top. Once that's done, you bring the sides both down and flip your hair over like so. And then I just tied mine into a knot on top of my head there. Not right at the back, but in the middle of my head so that all the hair's in front of my face. So as you can see, we've kind of formed a little ponytail with the head wrap. And now that I've tightened it, I'm just going to tuck the sides in to make sure it's all secure and neat and tidy. So that is the first style done and dusted. It's really cute and it's perfect if you don't want your hair in your face. I'm definitely going to be wearing this out this week. Okay, so onto the second style, and this is another really easy style to do. I really enjoyed making this actually because it's so simple, anyone can do it. So all I'm doing is placing the folded head wrap on top of my head, crossing them over at the back and then crossing them over at the front and then just securing them. It's super duper easy. It's probably actually easier to watch it than it is to listen to me explaining it. And that is it for style number 2. I like wearing it with my braids to the side, if that makes sense, like over my shoulder. I feel like that's a really cute look. Okay, so now we're on to style number 3, and for this one you're going to need a hair bubble or a scrunchie. And what I'm doing is just bringing all the braids to the front of my head and slightly to the side, and the reason why will become clear soon. So I'm taking a different head wrap this time, but it's still folded into a rectangular shape, and I'm just going to bring it towards the front of my head, cross them over at my forehead, and then cross them over at the back just so that it kind of covers the back of my head, if that makes sense, and then cross them over at the front again and then secure them. Okay, and then once the two ends are secure, you're just going to take out the scrunchie or hair tie and wear your braids to the side like this. And voila, this is the third and final style. This is actually my favourite one because I feel like it's messy but it's so cute at the same time. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!